So update number 97, replace the carburetor. Back once again. Power Ram. Time to use this thing to get some lumber. It's responsive now. That was pretty good. Heading back here to go pull us some lumber. Little Power Ram in action. Back up and in action. Ram. Well, that's fun. Stuck. Unforeseen water. Son of a bitch. The old Ram. I'm gonna hack up some more trees, get us some more lumber. About to fall my first ever tree. Got this probably 60-foot maple. Florida. Kick her down. Downtown. Let's see what we got here. Let's go. Down. Got her loaded up good now. Almost all that tree cut down. Not so good on my second fall. Kind of fell forward and landed on the other tree. So let's get it out of the way. Hell, it's a Ram. Wasn't a smart idea. So instead we tied a chain to it and pulled it. And the Power Ram does it again. She's an old workhorse, a beast. Oh yeah. Power Ram loaded to the gills with fresh lumber, hauling a load, doing what she was born to do. Work. Really sick of the snow coming down, unexpected every day, but it's a beautiful sunset. Got a bed full of lumber, hauling a load here with the Ram, heading out of the farm.